Welcome back, students. Let us do the next part of the chapter 2, history chapter 2 of your books. We have done about the Paleolithic age, the Mesolithic age, and now we are doing the Neolithic age. We have talked about the fishing, the pottery, the weaving of clothes. Now let us start with the invention of wheel. So invention of wheel was the greatest achievement of the Neolithic men. The wheel was used to carry loads and transport people to far off places, as well as in making pottery and fine threads of cotton and wool in the Neolithic age. Specialization with an abundance of food and the beginning of settled life, people began to invest their time in new professions like making art and craft, painting, pottery, making jewelry making, weaving, spinning, etc. This resulted in specialization of labor by different groups of people. So they started getting into different things with the and started experimenting. They started different professions. Then the barter system developed. So what is the barter system? The barter system is a system under which goods and services are exchanged instead of currency. So if one gives rice, the other gives salt. So there was no money or currency used for exchange. Rather, they used the items, the goods for exchange, and this was called the barter system. Due to the availability of food and other materials in surplus, people began to exchange goods and services with each other. This led to the introduction of barter system, and over a period of time this system became very popular. So now let us know about what kind of a social life this Neolithic age people had. So in this age many civilizations sprang up in different parts of the world near the rivers, like the Indus Valley civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, which you will do in your later chapters given in your book. Several groups of people came together and settled at one place, forming villages. Every village was headed by a powerful chief, and he would take care of the law and order of that particular village. And they became very organized, and with increase in population they developed different codes of conduct to regulate and control the activities of the people. Dwellings, so what kind of shelter they had? So human beings left the nomadic way of life in the Neolithic age due to the unavailability of wide variety of food at one place. They cut down trees and built small huts with trees or stones in the open place. They were plastered with mud and had thatched roofs. In this age, architectural material were not very advanced. And what kind of dress they used to wear? No, the human beings, they had evolved. So now they used to wear clothes made of bark of trees initially during the Paleolithic age. But now they had started putting on or covered their bodies with finely made woolen and cotton clothes. So the religion, which religion they followed in this Neolithic age? Earlier, like the earlier people, Neolithic people too were afraid of natural phenomena like lightning, thunderstorm, seasonal changes, and calamities such as floods and earthquakes. So they worship the natural forces like sky, rain, thunder, sun, moon, etc. And we do it now also. We do worship the moon, the sun. So they started doing the same. The Neolithic people used to perform various ceremonies to please their gods. So they also believed in death after burial. So they considered death as a journey and from which one never returns. So they therefore buried their dead along with articles of daily use like pottery, food, clothes, etc. in the graves, which were in large vessels called urns. So children, we will this is all for today. We will do the last age, that is the copper stone age or the chalcolithic age, in the next section. Thank you.